Monument 6-burner gas grill, assembly and review. You'll notice that this unit is very well thought out and engineered. It's best to unpack everything and lay it all out and look at it before you start trying to assemble it. Don't try and lift the body of the grill out of the box. Instead, cut down the corners of the box and fold the box down. You'll find it's real easy to get to everything you need to that way and gives you a nice clean surface to work from. The inside of the grill is packed with all your accessories, your shelves, your burners, everything you need to put it together. We put the base upside down on a table to insert the wheels. They just snap right in. Then we turned it right side up and assembled the base. It was very easy to do because most of the screws were already started and in place, and all the parts were all key slotted, so everything just slid together. The screws for the sides are already in place. Just set the sides on top of them, slide them for the key slot, and tighten them up. Simple. The back panel installs with just 4 screws. Really starts tying it together. Next, you want to do your front corner brackets, left and right, 4 screws each. Install the front panel with 4 screws. Next, the 2 inside brackets. Set the barrel of the grill onto the base. Attach the barrel with 4 screws on the end panels. The side burners attach with 3 screws on the outside with the keyhole slots, and then 1 screw from the inside. The burner slips right down over that. Tighten them down, then do the one on the inside of the barrel. Now you're ready to install the LED light and the gas line valve for the side burner. Connect the gas line and the leads for the LED and the striker, and then install the knob. The sear shelf is easy to install with the 4 key slotted holes. The end panels are easy to install. Just slip the key slotted holes over the screws and then tighten them up. Install the LED light and the gas valve. Then connect the leads for the igniter and the light and the gas line. Connect the gas lines to the side panel inside the main cabinet. I really like this feature. It's a slider for the gas bottle. No more wrestling trying to get the bottle in and out of the grill. Time for the doors. Install the door handles first, then insert your bottom hinge pin. Put that end first on the door. The top pin is spring loaded. Press it down, slide it in, let it go. There you go. Install the drip pan holder on the bottom of the drip tray, and then put the pan in and slide that into the back of the grill. Set the flame guards in place over the burners. Set the smoke box in place. Lay the grill grates and the warming rack in place, and you're almost done. Comes with a nice grill light also. Testing all the burners, the sear station, the side burner, and rotisserie. It's time to have some fun.